On the other side of that tank is another, so just don't use it because it might burn hay. Now they've settled down a little bit to about $9,000 per load of hay. And the hay farmers are getting screwed. And there's some Indian reservations in there too that are fighting over the water from the Colorado River. And then the other trouble that we had is that here. The udder of the goat is right where you can see it, so you can see what you're doing. So this is the milking pit. The question is on it. Just eat the mineral that they want. And then right here we have this white. Does anybody remember when you had a tummy ache and your grandma made you eat baking soda? It's bacteria and protozoa that help digest the plant material. So who came from the farthest? This is where the milk goes. And the milk comes down here by the jar into this cylinder. This cylinder has a filter in it that filters the milk. That's those people that don't wash their goats. They really rely on it. This pipe, it came out of the goat. It's 101 degrees. That's the body temperature of the goat. It's in a dark place. It's warm and it's full of sugar. So what's going to happen? Bacteria. It's going to grow. And it's like the salad bar at the restaurants. You want the cold stuff cold and you want the hot stuff hot. So we need to get this 100-degree milk chilled down. Otherwise, it's going to grow bacteria and be spoiled that we sell to the public. So sell it either in 10-pound vacuum sealed bags or cutting knives. You disinfect it. Then you put it into cubes, and then you stir it and you drain the whey, and then you make your feta. Or we also make a hard cheese called Otherwise. And the thing that's very important is the male goats go into what's called rut, and that's all they want to do is the best way to get it off. So anyway, that erect ears. Now see this brown goat here, it has the erect ears, but it's not white. That's an alpine goat. So color, and they have to have that large prominent arch nose. The Nubian goat's having babies right away, and then we'll have a lot of milk to make for January. Like kind of wobble when they walk, and they have it set to directly in front of us. You'll see a pen of goats through the winter and all next year. Hollywood goats that have to go on that side. So goats, these are the baby goats. So included in your tour ticket is baby goat holds you'll live longer. Mad cow disease scare. Right. So what that tubes that go down into the milk, and we put it in these ice packs. See some more boy goats, and then we're gonna see the goats in our inner city house. And then we're going to go this way along here. So they're like cows. They have the chef poultries, and it's all interesting. Yeah, the onion one is the part that goes on. So you can buy the cheese just outside the door. There's a little tent set up. All right, thank you. Thank you. One of my friends in South Africa strawberry and walnut ones, and then we have
It's not the same size.
Okay.
So this one will be $10 because it's a regular size one. Let's grab another one.
Quarto Lunch Cafe.